and welcome to another quarantine vlog. I am Austin Zajur and I'm stuck at my girlfriend's house and we are gonna make a video. Austin Zajur life. So in one of my last videos, my girlfriend straightened my hair. So I just, let me get back normal, please. Oh. In this one, I am going to dye her hair. Pink. So, bingo. Is this for me, Harley? Harley's right here, by the way. Is this for me or is this for you?
That will eventually be for me, but you can wear it.
That's for her. That's for my girlfriend, Harley Quinn. And I have gloves. These are for me too. Okay, cool. Towels are for the floor. So let's start the video!
What are you doing?
Okay, let's do this.
Have you watched a video?
Was I supposed to watch the video?
Yes.
We'll be right back.
Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be dyeing my hair pink. I am so excited. I love having pink hair. This is what it looks like. It is the prettiest.
It's like Play-Doh.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh. I love doing like the first
So you just paint your hair?
Because girl, there's no going back now.
Girl, there's no going back now.
So, okay, girl.
I'm a man. I am a man.
Video. Girl.
Man.
Sorry, my voice is cracking. I'm like just getting over being sick. But, so yeah, I already went through that whole bottle and I did my hair pink.
Get to the point. Is this how you guys feel when you watch my videos?
Valentine's Day.
You're being
I should probably put on gloves. Hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, even though I was gonna dye my hair pink anyways, like regardless of anyway. So another thing, like it did not last at all. Like I feel like it barely lasted a week and a half, 2 weeks.
This does not help me at all. So I paint it on. I just pop it out of the bottle and go.
Yeah, just wash.
All right. Paint in her hair, baby.
I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for at least.
My hair is way thicker than hers though.
Let's just wing it.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. I'm just now realizing that if I mess up, I have to look at her hair a lot. So I'm gonna try really hard to do a good job.
That's so mean.
So it looks like a silly putty that's like canned.
Is this 24 pieces? I accidentally ordered 24 ear caps.
Looks like we're dyeing my hair next. Comment if you want me to dye my hair color. Leave a comment right now.
These are ear caps.
For else?
Hey, so you don't get it on my ear.
Is this good? No?
All of it.
Gloving it up. Why are these so hard to get up?
Oh,
What?
I gotta put petroleum jelly.
Petroleum jelly?
Yeah.
Haven't heard of petroleum jelly since I was 11. For boys only.
What the? Here, put it on my forehead.
Okay.
Like here, only like here, so the dye does not get on my skin. Yeah. Just like on my hairline, you know.
Rubbing that petroleum jelly on my girl. I like to feel the way she works. What? I feel like I look like a chef. Hello, you're just getting rubbed in.
Do you feel confident?
I still don't know what we're doing. What do you mean, do I feel confident? That girl had no information for me to do that. Not really, besides painting. Are you kidding?
If it's bad, I'm gonna be so upset. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
I think we're gonna start with the top.
That's fair. That's fair.
And then I've never.
Do I mix this with water?
No.
I just paint you.
Yeah, and then.
And then you click the top up and then we start working it into the bottom.
Okay. Alright.
I feel fully confident about doing this.
Don't get it on my shirt. I like your shirt.
Okay. Is this enough? Do you know at home? Because we don't know what we're doing. Make sure to hit that like button and comment something that's nice. Or mean. I don't care. You too.
That's aggressive.
That was aggressive. So you should do it.
I mean, yeah.
Should I comb your hair first or like I need to?
You're getting it in the petroleum jelly.
Oh, so the key is I'll go like I'll do a layer and then I put it up.
Yeah.
Your hair's kind of black though. That's brown. I don't know. It's a color that's not blonde.
Roots.
It's like okay, your roots or whatever. Is that thing that I don't know, man? Jeez. All right, let's dye her hair. Okay.
Ooh, there's no going back.
What?
If you mix it up, I'm gonna
I also don't have my glasses on, so I can't even see what you're doing.
Well, I've never done this before, but I feel pretty confident with it because that instructional video we watched before really just taught you how to do it really well. Should I just do the other side or just keep going where I'm going?
Baby, this is on you.
Don't need that.
I'm scared.
I mean, how bad could it really be?
I feel like it could be bad.
Harley is blind as a bat without her glasses, so she can't see anything that's happening right now.
I can see that it looks pink.
I don't want to be...
No, do this part next.
Okay, up here?
Yeah.
Do all the top first, and then we'll put the top in the clip.
How's it going?
Not bad, I don't think.
I'm scared.
I wouldn't intentionally do something to negatively impact you, so just know that. You look like you just got slime, but it's pink.
Oh my god, I always wanted to get slime.
Well, today's your lucky day. What is this made out of? It smells very potent.
It's cruelty-free and vegan. I don't know what it's made of.
Vegan, eh? Harley's vegan if you didn't know that. You should. Beware of my life! I feel like your family's gonna just come down here soon. So what the hell is he yelling about? See, this isn't too bad, right?
No.
I feel like a painter. Picasso, I'm going to paint your head.
What? This is what I got into.
Like I literally got so good at like dyeing people's hair and I became famous for it and I was just like dyeing people's hair left and right, like famous people like all about, and I was like, Austin Zajur, the hair dye, Austin Zajur, the hair dye, and it got it. Oh, amazing.
Could happen.
You look like Carrie after the pig blood gets on her. I'm just speaking truth, baby.
Why do you just do wood?
I like to make my own sound effects. Wee, 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 wee. I don't know what I'm doing.
And then we'll come back and dye like that.
I don't know what I'm doing and I'm feeling really afraid.
Okay.
I think I messed up her hair already.
What the f? Okay, come here.
Don't tell her I said that. Just talking about my mom.
This looks bad.
This looks bad?
No, what I'm doing with my hair.
Oh, you sick girl. I've never dated anyone with pink hair before. This is pretty cool. I mean, if it's like a dirty like pink, you know, like it's kind of like messy, like kind of like punk rock, like that fit your brand, no?
Well, I think that's what it's gonna be. Austin Zajur,
Yeah.
you're not messing it up, are you? What does it look like?
It looks like, you know the girl from Sex Education?
Yeah,
In
Maeve.
season 1?
Maeve.
It looks like hers. Yeah, Maeve. Yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but it'll be something. And your skin will be dyed a little bit pink, so that's always cool.
What? I think it
Watch this be the best dye, pink dye hair ever. My story, it works.
in your
I like it. No, my fantasy of being the most famous hair dyeing master of
That's your
gaming.
fantasy?
It is now.
Oh
Wish.
Yeah.
Your hair just falls out for some reason. How my boyfriend made me go bald. We don't even know how it happened.
It's looking pretty pink, like at the end.
Sorry for pulling your hair.
Thank you for apologizing.
You should have got more dye for sure. Definitely more dye.
I'll order some more so we can do round 2.
Round 2! Get ready for it. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell button so you can see when it hits.
You're
ADHD.
holy.
I hope everyone's doing well in quarantine, honestly. If you can see that we've kind of lost everything in our brains. See, that didn't make any sense. We've gone insane. Can I put water in this or something?
No!
Why?
Because it could change the way it
Oh! Cinnamon? It slipped and went under Harley's bed. There was nothing in it. I'll get it.
What?
I'll get it.
Go get it!
Okay, I'm getting it.
Did it get on the floor?
I don't know, man.
Is cinnamon okay? Did it get places?
No, you went right under your bed.
It didn't get anywhere. Wait, you gotta make sure it's not under the bed.
It's not under the bed.
Can you just double check? No, you gotta double check.
I am! I'm doing it! That could have been bad. I should get new gloves, huh?
Well, yeah, but I think that it's good.
Okay, now what?
Now I need the hat.
You need this hat?
Yes, I need the hat. I'm sorry.
But I like it.
Give me the hat.
Where'd the hat go?
May I have the hat? May I have the hat? Thank you.
Okay, now what?
Now we wait.
We'll be back in 30 minutes.
20 minutes later.
It wants you to blow dry it over the cap.
Several bad puns later.
Comment and let me know if we should do that or if we shouldn't do that.
It will be over.
By the time they comment it, oh yeah, we'll be over, baby. You're too late. You gotta comment fast. we're gonna blow dry and you missed out on the opportunity to change our lives.
12 seconds later.
Why do I get so aggressive?
Later.
This isn't right.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, it is the moment of truth. Are you ready?
Yes.
Well, I guess you've already seen it technically, but I have not seen her hair yet. I'm really nervous. She hasn't really been talking to me a lot ever since she saw the color, so I don't know how this is gonna be. It looks good. I think it looks good.
Do you think it actually looks good?
Yeah.
I think it looks good.
I think you look like a punk.
I think that...
I feel like I could have done it a little better here.
Yeah, okay, so...
It didn't really get the roots.
Here are my notes.
Okay.
Here are my
forked
thoughts. My initial thoughts are that... Well, actually, it's kind of nice. But I think that...
Well, show them all angles.
Okay, well, it's not as good in the back.
I wonder who did
But
that.
my thought, here we are missing a lot of color.
Okay.
My thoughts are that 1, we should have had 2 bottles of dye. 2, we should have dispersed it more evenly because...
I mean, with that, you can't really get into the real specifics of it because it really just.
Well, look, this is really pink.
Its own.
This is really pink, right? But
that. Okay, the hair back there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I messed up. I messed up your hair. I think it looks cool. What do you guys think?
I think.
Do you like it? Say yes. She's my girlfriend.
Say yes. I think we should do it again. But I like it.
Okay. Do you want to do blue too or something?
No.
Okay, cool. Well, we'll do it again. Cool.
Do you like it?
I do. I like it a lot. It looks good. It's good.
You promise?
I promise. Yeah. You look like a punk rock princess.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Well, I messed up. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see while we are quarantined together. This is the second quarantine vlog. But yeah, take it easy. Bye. Why are you staring at me like that? Bye!